One of my favorite medium for magic is coin magic. I think it's a very mystical and profitable way to do magic. That's why I like half dollars so much. Now, well, this one's perhaps a little bit hard to see, but if we just give it a rub like that, it becomes a bit more visible. What's special about half dollars isn't so much what they are as what they can do. Because, for example, if you put one in your hand like that, you can throw it away, only to have it reappear down beneath your sleeve. And it will do this on both sides. We throw it away over here like that, and then it shows up back under this sleeve. Give you some idea of how the sleeves can work in other ways. We'll start out with it over here, rub it into my sleeve, and it pops out down here. Now we'll do the exact same thing again, but we'll just take it this time, rub it into this sleeve, and that time it doesn't pop out here. It's not here. In fact, it's down here behind that trick knee. Bad joke. But let's add a couple more coins to it. Instead of just using the one $1/2, we'll take a second and a third $1/2 as well. So we use 3 $1/2 for this, just the 3 coins. But I'll put all 3 of them starting out in the right hand. Okay, like so. And in the left hand, we'll have nothing to begin with. Left hand will begin, as they say in the business, clean. And we'll put one $1/2 in that hand, and we'll put a second $1/2 in that hand. So we have just these 2 $1/2, but we'll add the third one down at the bottom, so that we now have all 3 $1/2. 1, 2, and 3. And just with a snap like that, one of them will jump over, leaving us with 2 in the left and 1 in the right, or 2 in the right, 1 in the left. Let's try something very similar, only this time we'll put 1 coin in the left hand, just the 1 coin, which leaves us with 2 coins in the other hand, all right? So we have 1 over here, 2 over here, but give them a little shake like that, and now we get 2 over here and 1 over there. But again, still just a total of 1, 2, and 3 coins. For a final effect with the coins, let's put 1 coin by itself over in the left hand, and then we'll have 2 coins in the right, but I'll add 1 of them to the left. So we now have 2 coins in the left and 1 coin in the right. And I'm just going to take this third coin, give it a toss, and it goes away, only to reappear over here, leaving us with 1, 2, 3 coins, just as when we began. But let's switch medium now. Let's try something with some cards. I'll put the coins over to the side. We'll take out a pack of cards. Full pack, all right? Not terribly well shuffled, but it is a full deck of cards. And we'll just stop randomly some places we come through, like say here. This will be the anonymous spectator's card. And the spectator has chosen the 8 of spades. Now the 8 of spades is a remarkable card. Some people would even say that it is an ambitious card. And because of that, we'll write the word ambitious right on the card. Nice and big, so that hopefully the camera can see it. The ambitious card. Now, the thing that's so unusual about this card is that if you take it and burn it into the pack, just bury it somewhere down inside the deck, like, I'm not sure, maybe halfway in, something like that. And then you tap the deck, that card will pop right back up to the back, to the top, still being the ambitious card. We'll do it again. We'll take it and burn it back down into the middle of the deck like so, tap it, and lo and behold, it again comes right back up to the top. It is a very ambitious card. If we put it in face up so it's a little bit easier to follow, and lest you think that there has been some sleight of hand already going on, you can see that the card is indeed face up. It's the ambitious card still sitting there in the pack of cards. And we'll just give it a cut or 2. And your card is neither the top card nor the bottom card of the deck. Neither of them is the ambitious card. But we'll just cover up the second from the top card for but a moment, and then the second from the top card becomes the ambitious card, which we'll cover up again. And as the second card from the top, if we burn it into the center of the pack like so, tap the pack yet again, once more it rises right up to the top. So now we have that ambitious card sitting around, but to make it a little bit more visible how it travels, we'll give the card a nice bend. All right, so the card has a good bend to it. And we'll take it off the top of the pack and just slide it into the middle. You can still see the bend on the card. But if we push it down like so, to hold it in place, that card is going to rise straight up to the top, again leaving us with the ambitious card back where it came from. Let's try and straighten that card out just a little bit so that it's not quite so easy to locate. And we'll again put it down inside the pack, like that. And again, I believe your card is neither the top card nor the bottom card of the deck. And at this point, I want to direct your attention to what I think you can see over here on the other side, which is a paper clip with a card in it. That has been there since we began the trick. And with the paper clip on, of course, you can't see what the card is. But with the paper clip off, then that card becomes more visible. And even the folded up card is readily recognizable as the ambitious card. Well, this one has gotten a little bit beat up, so we're going to have to switch over to another card. I'm going to just thumb through and you say stop anywhere you'd like. Stop! Okay, there's a good spot. Or how about a red card? A little bit better contrast. We'll take the red card and we'll sign it with the word castle. Like so. Now this is the most difficult part of my routine. One hand, the other hand, one card. It still makes the entire trip. We'll fold this card in half, like so, just to give it a little bit of a crease, making it much easier to find. Then we'll give it a second fold back the other way, like so. Okay. And now we're really going to get serious. We're going to tear the card up. We'll tear it in two pieces, like so. All right, two complete separate pieces. Then we'll give it another tear yet again, and for those of you who are doing the math, that now gives us 4 pieces. We'll put all 4 of them together, and then I just need a lighter, which I have somewhere. Shouldn't have done this routine in tight jeans. There we go, but it is a special lighter. It's a magical card lighter. We'll actually flame out the card, get it seriously ignited, and just let it burn out a little bit, like so. And then without taking anything away except some of the color, it is transformed back into an entire whole card with just a little bit of burning to wear.